7 viral Amazon products everyone's obsessed with this week. Looking for the latest fashion, tech, and lifestyle essentials? We've got you covered. 1. Effortless style. The PLNOTME women's denim jacket combines comfort with a unique tie-front design. Perfect for pairing with jeans or leggings for an effortlessly chic look. 2. Timeless suede. The COOFANDY men's faux suede bomber jacket delivers vintage charm and modern versatility. Lightweight yet durable, it's ideal for both casual and formal settings. 3. Capture memories. The Minolta MND20 digital camera offers 44 megapixels high-res photos and 2.7K video, making it the perfect companion to capture life's unforgettable moments. 4. Limited edition kicks. Step into iconic style with the Adidas Samba Messi shoes, a tribute to Argentina's legendary win. Complete with gold details and Messi's name, they're a must-have for any soccer fan. 5. Luscious lips. Sculpt your lips with Maybelline Lifter Liner. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it locks in moisture while delivering a fuller, lifted look. 6. Spooky sips. Add a bit of fun to your coffee break with the Halloween Ghost Coffee Mug. Perfect for seasonal sipping or gifting. 7. Epic sound. The Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 4 Bluetooth speaker delivers 360-degree sound and 14 hours of playtime, perfect for poolside parties or outdoor adventures. Ready to elevate your style and tech? Check out the video description for links to shop now and unlock your new favorites.